Okay.
Ma'am, you coming to court with facial cream on your face? That's inappropriate. Ma'am,
Okay, I'm sorry.
No, listen to me. It's inappropriate and it's disrespectful for you to come on this Zoom with that face cream on the day of your sentencing. This is not a game. It's not a joke. We come to court professionally attired, and that is absolutely disrespectful. Now, please go wash your face and come back prepared for court.
This isn't just another sentencing hearing, it's a clash of courtroom decorum and legal responsibility. A defendant shows up with face cream on camera, and the judge makes it crystal clear, court is no joke.
I got one more case before you. Well, now I don't. They keep leaving. They keep leaving at different times and coming back and leaving and coming back. Oh, no, there he is. He's still here. Okay, there he is. I have one more case in front of you. That's Miss Castaw's case. And that is Chicago. However, I don't know that the I might have another one, but I'm gonna do a couple of yours and then I'll do I also have Cone, the attorney for Cone. Mr. Chicago, I need you to start your camera.
I'm trying to turn my camera on.
Oh, Miss Chicago.
Yes, I'm sorry. Okay.
Ma'am, you coming to court with facial cream on your face? That's inappropriate. Ma'am,
okay, I'm sorry.
No, listen to me. It's inappropriate and it's disrespectful for you to come on this Zoom with that face cream on the day of your sentencing. This is not a game. It's not a joke. We come to court professionally attired, and that is absolutely disrespectful. Now, please go wash your face and come back prepared for court. Straightforward. There's nothing straightforward in here. I'm confused anyway by this report right now. What is it? What? Ethnic intimidation stuff. Am I looking at the right report? I'm confused. I must didn't read. I'm confused. Ms. Castro, on page 1, do you have the report up?
So, Your Honor,
assault and battery. What's this larceny stuff? Do you see this report? And do you see plea agreement and say larceny in a building and larceny pled guilty? That's not right.
No, it's not, Your Honor. She was only charged with the ethnic intimidation, stalking, and the assault and battery. The ethnic intimidation and stalking were dismissed, and she pled to the assault and battery. So that on there is incorrect.
Well, now that makes me nervous about everything else that's in here. But did you go over this with your client?
I did, Your Honor, yes.
Okay. Well, I'll get to that then in a minute. While your client washes her face, I'm going to handle a quick pretrial conference with Ms.
I apologize, Judge, on behalf of Ms. McCoggle. My apologies. I was not aware.
Yeah. All right. Thank you for the apology, though. All right. I'm ready on Fields, Ms. Stevenson, and Holloway, and then I'll be ready on Chicago.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Ms.
Okay.
Stevenson, I'll send her to number 1.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. You're welcome. Ms. Castro, I'm ready.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We are ready on case number 23-559-2601. The people of the state of Michigan versus Meta. Middle name Lanish Chicago. Defendant is charged with 1 count of assault or assault and battery. Today is the date set for sentencing. Appearances, please.
Dan Landis for the people.
Your P number, please.
64666.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nancy Castor from Neighborhood Defender Service of Detroit, appearing on behalf of Ms. Mita McCoggle, P number 80549.
And ma'am, your full name, please.
Mita Lanish Renee McCoggle.
Today is the date set for sentencing. The court has had an opportunity to review the pre-sentence report. With respect to the report itself,
Notice the defense pushing to correct the record here. Even small clerical errors in a pre-sentence report can impact future rulings. Judges rely heavily on accuracy, so this correction is more than paperwork, it's justice in detail.
are there any additions, deletions, or corrections on behalf of the people?
No, thank you, Judge.
On behalf of the defense?
Yes, Your Honor. On the first page, I think we discussed this off the record. It indicates that there was a plea agreement for larceny in a building, which was dismissed by party, and then the larceny 200 plea guilty. That information is incorrect, Judge. So I just ask that that be stricken from the pre-sentence report.
Court will strike that from the report.
Thank you, Judge. I have gone over the pre-sentence report with Ms. McCoggle. To our knowledge, it is factually correct. No other additions, deletions, or corrections to be made.
Thank you. With respect to sentencing, is there anything on behalf of the people?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Anything on behalf of the defense?
Judge, I just ask that the court follow the plea agreement that was entered into between the prosecutor's office and us.
And what is that agreement? Because it's not listed on the reports.
Judge, that agreement was for 9 months reporting probation, which may be telephonic reporting at the discretion of the probation officer, mandatory drug evaluation and following any treatment recommendations, and no contact with the victim, Jaleesa Abad.
That's correct.
Okay. Just for future references, there's never anything that I leave in the discretion of probation. Cheers. Court is going to impose, I apologize, Ms. McCoggle, do you want to make a statement on your own behalf?
So the drug evaluation, will I have to what all will I
I
have
didn't
to
say
do?
ask me any questions. I said, do you want to make a statement on your own?
Did you catch that moment? The judge asked for a heartfelt statement, but the defendant declined. Silence in a sentencing hearing can be powerful, but it also risks leaving the judge with no humanizing perspective.
On behalf.
No, I guess not.
Okay. Then the court is ready to impose sentence. I will do so in the following manner. There is a recommendation from probation for a probationary period of 9 months, which appears to be in line with the sentencing recommendation from between the parties. The court will accept that and sentence Ms. McCoggle to a term of probation for 9 months. That being a final review date of May the 2nd, 2024 at 10:00 a.m. with the following terms and conditions. Ma'am, you shall not violate any criminal law of any governmental unit. You must not leave the state of Michigan without consent from this court. You must make a truthful report to probation on a monthly basis. And you must notify probation immediately of any change of your address, phone number, or employment status. Oh, give me 1 second. Ms. Stevenson, I'm going to try to send, oh, no, she just went off. Okay, that was distracting. You must pay the following fines, costs, and fees. The court is going to impose the mandatory cost of $210. Additionally, according to page 5 of the pre-sentence report, it indicates that she was unemployed at the time of the interview, but that she had a job offer with a deli. Ms. Castall, do you know the status of her employment?
Your Honor, that didn't go through, so she is still unemployed.
All right, then the court is going to impose 10 days of community service in lieu of the additional fines, costs, and fees, with the exception, of course, of the cost for the classes.
Community service instead of fines, fair trade or soft penalty. Judges often weigh financial hardship against accountability. What do you think? Should community service replace fines when defendants claim they can't pay? Drop your thoughts below.
Court is going to, so the total cost is $210. Additionally, ma'am, you shall not use or possess any illegal substance. You shall not use or possess any marijuana without a valid medical marijuana card. You shall not use or possess any opiates without a valid prescription and letter of explanation from the doctor. You shall not drive without a valid driver's license. According to the report, your license is suspended and your driving status is ineligible. You shall attend and complete 12 weeks of anger management, preferably through the EVA program. Ma'am, what you doing?
Nothing, just moving to another room.
Right, why? Because I'm in the middle of your sentencing.
I know, I hear you. I'm listening. I was just moving to another room.
Don't move to another room. Otherwise, we're gonna come in person and then we'll never have to move out of that courtroom.
Yes, ma'am.
"12 weeks of anger management, preferably through EVA. She will submit to a mental health evaluation. She will submit to urinalysis once a month for 3 months. If I'm satisfied with the results, then she can discontinue. So that actually means I'm going to impose
9-year behavior, or face harsher consequences. That's real-life accountability in motion. And here's the turning point: anger management classes, drug testing, probation check-ins, the list keeps stacking. This isn't just punishment, it's the court saying, F.
$30 more on her fines, costs, and fees, so that would be $240. $30 would be for the 36th District Court urine screen. And then you shall pay all outstanding tickets that you have with the 36th District Court or get on an approved payment plan. We're going to come back to me after the 3 months so that I can see if there are any additional referrals needed, if I need to refer her to any specialty court based upon her mental health evaluation or her urinalysis. So the court is going to set a review date for November the 2nd. Hold on, that might not be right. I might not be available. Oh yeah, I am. November the 2nd is the review at 10:00 a.m. We will mail a copy of this report to the Concord Street address. Probation will contact you at the phone number ending in 4281. Is there anything further with respect to Ms. McCoggle?
Your Honor, I just do have a question for the court,
Yes.
and I don't make a difference. Ms. McCoggle does go and get therapy at Team Wellness. So I don't know if that'll make a difference as to the court's requirement that she submit to a mental health evaluation.
No, thank you for bringing that to my attention. So instead of the mental health evaluation, I am going to indicate that she will continue counseling through Team Wellness. Also, I'm sorry, I forgot to indicate, according to the report. Now, based upon this misstep on page 1, I don't know. We're going to need to confirm. Probation will need to confirm this.
7 outstanding warrants revealed mid-sentencing. Talk about a curveball. This raises serious credibility issues. Probation officers must now track multiple cases. It's a reminder, one case in court is rarely the full story.
But it indicates that Miss McCoggle has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 warrants for her arrest. She must clear up all outstanding warrants. All right, so she needs to confirm that with probation. Yes, ma'am.
Some of those are from 36. Will she be appointed a misdemeanor attorney so that she can get those taken care of? At least the ones for 36.
I see 2 for 36. Strike that. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 36. And the answer to your question, generally speaking, is that House counsel is available to anyone in traffic courtrooms who wants to utilize them.
Thank you very much for
So
that.
she needs to work with her probation officer to make sure she gets a court date for those cases at 36, and then whatever else with the other ones are out of 43rd District Court.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Anything further?
Nothing further from the people. Thank you, Your Honor.
Then we're all set, Ms. McConaughey, until
Guys,
November the 2nd. But Ms. McConaughey, I need to let you clearly understand that when you come on Zoom, we're in court. Don't ever show back up in my courtroom with face cream on your face or walking around. We're
Yes, ma'am.
stationary, seated in an upright position, and ready to attend court at all times while
Yes,
we're
ma'am.
on court. And I would appreciate it also if you wouldn't try to interrupt me and rush me. Right? Let me finish my sentences.
In the end, 9 months probation, community service, and counseling, but with strict warnings about courtroom respect. This case blended drama and discipline. What's your take on this ruling? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more dramatic courtroom breakdowns.
Because if you had made a statement, I would have let you finish yours. All right, we are all set. Everybody have a great day and stay safe.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, never mind.
She left. I mean, she
Yeah.
just mad, but she gets
Fine.
no. All right. Have a great day. Good
Thank
to see you. Stay safe.
you. Thank you, Mr. Landis.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, Miss Stevenson. Oh, wait. I got one more person. Miss Stevenson, I got one more person.
Okay,
Who
I
do you need
understand,
me to
Judge.
No, who do you need me to get out?
Mr. Pearson has not been to break out, and I